Hello, welcome or welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today, the search for the perfect pair of contact lens continues. Just a quick update. I just filmed a video review for this Natasha Denona Glam face and eye palette, hence the beautiful eye look going on. So check out that video, it's probably up already. We are trying out Minteye. This is a new company. I haven't heard of them before, but they reached out to me and they want to send me 4 pairs of contact lens to try out. We have a 20% off discount code, you guys. So stay tuned. Let's get started. They provide a lot of different colored contacts. The ones that I'm interested in are the 1 year color lens. For me, I just picked the zero description on both sides just to make it easy and I can wear glasses on top of them. But if you have prescription, I'm pretty sure they have those too. Just my eyes have some weird prescription, so it's very tricky to find contact lens that work for my eyes. That's it. This is the box that they come in. Just very sleek and safe. It says your present. Thank you. Inside the box, I have. It's not a normal day for me without dropping anything in the middle of filming. These beautiful boxes, and when there's a bow, but I already got too excited and opened them. And the lens will come in these smaller boxes. They give you extra containers for you to store your contacts, which is very nice. Try on one by one and tell you how I feel, and hopefully this heavy makeup look will help with that. The first one I will try on is you are going to get some instruction on how to use contact lens. The solution in there is a little bit harder, so it's not the best for your eyes. So open them up, put it into your own store-bought soft contact lens solution for 24 hours before you put them onto your eyes. I did not do that last time. I wish I knew that. So that's pretty important. The name of the lens is Bloom, and it's the blue gray lens. 8.6 millimeters base curve, and the diameter is 14 millimeters. This eye has a contact in, and this eye doesn't have anything. Pretty natural blue gray color. It makes me just look different. And let me put on the other one. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Why is that? Because it has this beautiful pattern on it, but it's not so out there. It's a blue, yes. It's a gray, yes, but it's a more subtle blue gray. It's not like an intense in your face kind of color lens. So I still feel like myself. The lens feel pretty comfortable. I definitely feel it moving around a little bit, but that's kind of typical experience that I have with contact lens anyway. So I don't think it's anything weird. This is the first pair. The color green, and it's the collection called Hawaii. Brownish kind of green. So again, it's a more subtle kind of a contact lens. First of all, disclaimer. No, I'm not about like changing your own eye colors. I really like my natural eye colors. Just sometimes when I play with makeup, having a different kind of eye color is fun. So that's why I want to find a good pair of contact lens, and I want to introduce to you guys, because if you are doing creative makeup looks, a pair of contact lens will really help elevate the look. You can see it like clear, it looks a lot more glam and a little bit like, oh, what is that? You know, it's not like my typical self. Makeup and contact lens should be a form of expression, how you express yourself, your mood, your beauty, but not a way to change yourself. You should love yourself inside out. That's probably the most important take of this video, but let's put on the other side and we'll see how it looks. I think I like this pair a little bit more than the blue gray, the previous pair, just because it's a little bit more closer to my natural eye color. Really stunning. Okay, let's move on. Another brown pair called Hannah, and again, this is the difference between with the contacts and without the contact. This pair is the most natural so far. It's almost identical to my eye color. It's just a little bit lighter, so I like this pair a lot. When you're wearing contact lenses that are so different from your natural eye color, you tend to have to wear more makeup just so that it doesn't look so stand out. Yeah, it makes me feel very luxurious and glamorous. I just can't stop looking at myself, so let's move on. This is probably the craziest pair out of all of them. This is called LA Girl in the shade green. It's definitely intense. More of a Halloween kind of look for me, I would say. It's just so light. I don't even know how to deal with it. Let me put on the other side and we'll see how I feel. Now it looks like a zombie kind of an eye look. This is very intense for me. I don't think this pair is for me personally. I like the idea, but I don't know how much I like how it looks like now. My favorite pair is probably the blue gray one in the shade in the collection Bloom and the Hannah brown one. I think those are my favorite. So those are all 4 pairs of contact lens I tried on from Minteye. Thank you so much, Minteye, for sending me these arrived safely. They are easy to use. They feel pretty comfortable in the eye because they're contact lens. They're gonna feel like you're wearing something in your eyes, but a special event where you only need to wear them for like 3 to 4 hours, they're totally fine. Anything longer than that, I would recommend taking them off. And the boxes are pretty small and convenient, so you can bring the container with you and put them in. I mean, that will help your eyes take breaks throughout the day and it will just be better overall. Oh, I have a discount code for you. It's a 20% code. It's the code Queen. Right now they have a lot of discounts and promotion going on, so check them out. I will put all of the information that you might need if you're interested in the description box along with the discount code. That's it for this video. I just want to try on some quick contact lens for you because I do like them a lot. I do like to try new things. It's very much connected to makeup, you know what I mean? So I hope you appreciate it. If you are looking for contact lens, I have a few videos on my channel about them, so keep an eye out for them. Thank you again to Minteye for sending me these contacts. I really appreciate it and I cannot wait. I hope I will be able to try on more contact lens from you in the future. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have a great one. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification button, share this video with your friends or family. I will see you in my next one. Until next time, please let the mirror shine into your soul. Don't flop.